Hi everyone, welcome. This is the fall major. I just finished the qualification round, so I'm going to put out some content of the holes for reference for playing the opening round and that. Probably just tweak some holes here and there, so let's get started. Alright, this is the first hole, par 4. This here one we played at plus 20%. For the first shot, what you're trying to do is hit the drive between 325 and 335 yards. So I went with the quarterback. You can use a rock as well. 3 top, couple spins to the right. You're trying to hit it pretty much center of these traps here. Set yourself up for a viper shot, or actually a sniper shot for the second shot. And what else can I tell you? Not too much about this first shot. It's a pretty easy shot. Just hit it straight down there. It'll pretty much roll up the hill and back down. Land somewhere between 325, 335, 329. Alright, here's the second shot here. I had to mess around a little bit with this shot here. This shot here is I played it between about plus 20%. The reason being is it goes so far up that hill. A lot further up than you want. Like if you look at the ball guide here, it looks like it only goes up that hill about half, 3/4 of the way. But after the shot, it tends to go way up there. And what you're trying to do is get the ball guide to kind of go to the right hand side of the hole a little bit here. And this here shot, like I said, 6 back. You can play 6 back, 1 right, or just 6 back on it. You can see it went so far up that hill. The reason being, I believe I only played this at plus 10%, so I'd try plus 20 the next time around. Either that or go with a ball that keeps the wind down a little bit better than that, like a Kingmaker. That's the first hole. Welcome back. Second hole, par 3. We're doing a rough bump here. You can play with a Kingmaker, or you can play with a cheaper ball, like I always tend to like to do. So I go with a Navigator because it keeps the wind down a little bit as well. Full right, just a hair of backspin. You can see where I'm lining up the target, plus 4 yard marker. It's pretty much max club. Played at plus 30%. You can see the yellow target is pretty much close to the rough line there. It looks like it's right of the hole to me. Once again, that's played at max, plus 30%. I believe this is sniper 9. If you had a sniper 10, you might have to play it at plus 2 yards I got written down here, but I'm not too sure about that one. Anyways, it works. We'll see you on the next hole. Alright, welcome back. Hole number 3. This is a par 5, I believe. It's pretty easy par 5 though. Use a quasar here, full top, full right. It's got a severe right to left roll on this next fairway pad here, so that's why you go full right. Adjust the wind here, I believe, at plus 10%, or 0% actually on the first shot. Yeah, I got, if you want, you can look at the yardage here on this drive. I got 365 yards quasar, mid-distance it would be for the next shot. So let's see what this shot turns out to be. .354, yeah, pretty much around that distance. Shot number 2. Alright, here's shot number 2. I tried different elevations here. I tried plus 5, I tried plus 10, I tried plus 20. What you're trying to do is get it up to the back of the green here and roll back down. You can use a sniper here. It also has a better ball guide, so. But if you chose to use a guardian here, just be aware of where you're setting the ball guide. We got it in the center of the white square here, you can see. And you can see how it responds to that. I believe we played, like I said, plus 5%, plus 10%. We finally went with plus 20. That's what I got in my notes. Worked out fairly well here. Next time I might just line that up more to the right. We'll see how that reacts to it. Still an easy eagle, but of course you want to get the albatross here. Gain some strokes on the rest of the folks. We'll see you on hole 4. Alright, welcome back. This is hole number 4. I believe it's par 3. Okay, what do I got for my notes here? Alright, this is the Kingmaker, the best route here. Red, touch in the rough with the Goliath. It's basically around the plus 4 yardage, even though it looks like it's at plus 3 on here. I got written in my notes plus 4 yards, 10%. You're playing this at max distance. See, it shows plus 3. So you might want to go with that too. Just look at the ball guide, where the ball guide is on the green. Red touch in the rough. Goliath 7 plus. I got a half back spin on here. I'm not sure if I went with that. Full right spin. And there you have it. Hole in 1. I'm sure you can get something from that shot. Good luck with it. We'll see you on the next hole. Welcome back. Hole number 5, I believe. This particular shot is a pretty tricky shot here. It's a hard hole, this hole. Unless you're going with a power 4 or power 5 ball, you can play to the left of those trees there in the center of the fairway. And you can pretty much do full over power with about 3 or 4 top and some right curl. But I don't like using power 4 or power 5 balls, so I tend to go with a power 3 here. And you're just doing a power curl. You can see where I'm lining up. You want to look at the wind. What the wind's doing too is 6.3. Next time, if you get a stronger wind, you want to lay off the topspin a little bit. If you get a weaker wind, maybe add a bar topspin. You can see how it reacts to it. Not too bad. It leaves you with a nice, easy chip for an eagle. Good luck with that hole. We'll catch you on hole 6. Alright, welcome back. Hole number 6. Let's see what I have here. Going with the Titan. Extra mile 7. Full top, about 3 bars, 3 bars to the right. What we're doing is we're not adjusting for the wind here at all. We're just letting the wind carry the ball. Just playing to the left of that sand trap a little bit, you can see. What do I have here? This is hole 6. The next shot here we're playing at minus 10%. I got written down here. But I don't believe it worked for me off one of my drives, so I went with minus 15% after that. Minimum distance at 421 yards, but I'm not sure what our yardage was here. Okay, here's shot number 2. You can, like I said, you're gonna have to play with the elevation here. It's either between minus 10 and minus 15. I believe you give it around 2 top. I believe I tried this with left spin, but the next time around I'd probably try it with right spin. And we'll see what we can do after that. Hold on. Yeah, like I said, I'm not sure what I have in my notes here. Yeah, I got this playing at mid distance here, minus 10%. Two top. I believe you want to play this short of the hole and to the right. Still leaves you with an easy eagle. Good luck with that one. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright, this is hole number 7. Let's see what I did here. I believe we're playing from the left hand side, yeah. This is a pretty tricky hole. I'm not even sure what I got down here for elevation. I can't even find it in my notes here. I believe we went with 5 back, 5.8 to the right. I believe this is played around plus 15% elevation. Looks like I need a little bit more curl here. So I hope that helps. We'll catch you on the next one. Alright, here we are back for hole number 8. This here particular shot we played at 0% elevation, full top, one left. Just trying to hit it through the big part between the trees here. Just trying to hit it over top of that right bush here. You can see, start going down the hill there. And we're checking out the ball guide here, see where it lands, see where it hits. We're playing at 0% elevation. You can also use a marlin on this particular shot. You don't need to go with a power 1. I would prefer to go with the big topper 5 and lower with the marlin actually, and the big topper 6 plus I would go with a navigator. That's what I got written down on my notes. But this will leave you with a very easy chip here. I played at 0% is what I actually did. Just line the ball guide up right with the hole there, pretty much. You have to check the wind, of course, see if it's a side wind or not, but that'll leave you with the easy chip, like I said. We'll see you on hole 9. Alright, welcome back. This is a final hole, par 5, hole 9. Here we have it. Go with a high accuracy club because it's fairly narrow on here. So we go with about 1 top, full left. Just take a look at your miles per hour on your wind here. If you start going a little bit higher than, what do I have here? Between 7.5 miles per hour. You could still go with 1 top here, but I would just add an extra half a ring in your adjustment here. Either that or don't give it 1 top with a 7.5 mile per hour wind and adjust it normally. This here particular shot we adjusted at plus 10%. You can see we give it some curl. The reason 7.5 miles per hour, I adjusted a half a ring more, is just for safety. You don't want it running into the rough here. That's shot number 1. Alright, this is shot number 2. This here we played at minus 30% elevation. We tried a minus 10, didn't work. We tried a minus 20, still wasn't good. We found out minus 30 works the best. It lands pretty much where you want it to after your adjustment. And you can see how much backspin I give it, how much left spin. And let's see what the results are here. Actually, we give it full top. I'm not sure what top we give it. I believe it was full top. I got written down here, 1 left spin, but I'll have to go over that. See, that was too far to the right. That's why I'm saying I finally settled with minus 30%. That was too far to the right. This one could have been taken at minus 10 or minus 20%. But that's it. Find a hole. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll catch you in the next one.